Meanwhile with Sora berarti berikutnya. Let's go. Lah kok? Oh enggak. Taichi. Sorry for calling you ever so early in the morning. Kenapa nih? Oh dia nggak bisa ini latihan bola. Kenapa? Morning my mom asked me to something for her. Ngapain tuh? I'm sorry Taichi, please tell the coach for me. Oke, minta izin dong. Bye. We got that over with. Our mom said was that she needed a bunch of flower. She could have easily told me this one the pond, so why? If you hurry, you can still make it to practice. Oh dia juga ini pengen latihan juga akhirnya jadinya. Jadi dia pengen nyelesain tugas emaknya secepat mungkin, kemudian dia bisa latihan bola gitu. Digimon. Florist di depan toko bunga. Doesn't look like it's searching for the egg chosen child. Digimon itu tidak seperti sedang mencari ini anak terpilih ke-8. Ngapain dia? He's muttering something. Let's sneak up and listen it. Somebody got this and I've never seen before, not even in the Digimon world. Selling them to human in a place like this. Got this, he said. I wonder if he's talking about the flower for sale here. Digimon will rescue this captive Gatis. Oh dia naksir ya sama ini ya, sama tumbuhan ya? Karena dia karena si Pejimon tuh kantong semar kan ibaratnya ya, kalau di dunia nyata ya dia tumbuhan juga. Jadi dia merasa kalau bunga itu sedang ditawan atau diculik gitu sama manusia, padahal dijual aja. Dijual. Aduh, terus cewek ini langsung mikir kayak gitu lagi. Jangan SJW kayak gitu ya mikirnya ya guys ya. Waduh. You'll miss your warning practice. This isn't the time to be worrying about this. Let's go, Peo, come on. We heard everything you said. We won't let you attack the florist. I got caught. Oh well, I'll just have to beat you up. Let's go. Butuh berubah gak sih jadi ini? Terlalu berlebihan deh gue. Ih, langsung gue nendai anjir. Cupu banget bro. Udah. Berlebihan banget jadi Garudamon aja. Did great, Pokemon. Are you okay? Mak, kenapa mak? I heard there was a child with a strange stuffed animal causing a riot in front of the flower shop. I was worried you might have gotten caught up in it. Tuh, Maya sayang banget guys padahal. I'm fine, I finished what you asked me to do. Sorry for putting you in such a situation, Sora. I didn't mean to. Kak-san, all I wanted was for you to understand a flower arrangement school heads joke a little. Yeah, akhirnya mereka berdua ngomong panjang lebar guys. Jujur. Was worried about you, Sora. Yeah. Are you happy, Sora? Sorry, don't worry about me. Come on, let's go home. Kan udah selesai ya, bisa latihan bola dong.